Good morning. This is Joseph Vassar with the November 17th, 2025 CattleFax Opening Bell. This week's opening bell is brought to you by GameSmart from Biozyme Incorporated. Fed cattle cash trade was moderate in the north and light to moderate in the south last week. Northern Fed cattle trade was at 224 to 225 live and 350 to 351 dress, declining by $3 to $5 live and $7 to $9 dress from the previous week. The South traded at 227 to mainly 228 live, going down by $3 to $4 from the previous week. The cash market continues to trade mostly based on psychology, ignoring bullish fundamentals with historically tight Fed cattle supplies and seasonally higher holiday demand. The futures board and any news surrounding tariffs, the U.S.-Mexican border, or beef prices are expected to continue to hold influence on the cash market pricing this week. There are moderately smaller show lists in the north this week, mainly because they are being placed against a shorter kill week next week. In the south, Kansas has a tighter show list as well, mostly due to a shorter kill week next week. However, the Panhandle show list is larger this week. The spot composite cutout moved lower on the week, dropping $3 a hundredweight on average, and finishing the week at $368.48 a hundredweight on Friday. Increased production may lead to a softer chuck and round. Middle meats continue to trade range bound and have yet to move higher. The cutout is predicted to be slightly lower on the week, and it is near major support. The November 1st Cattle on Feed report is scheduled to be released this Friday. On-feed inventories are expected to remain below year-ago levels. The WASDE report came out last week, and as expected, old crop ending stocks increased by 200 million bushels. This was mostly offset by a lower feed residual. For the 2025-2026 market year, yield was adjusted to 0.7 of a bushel lower to 186 bushels per acre. Exports increased 100 million bushels to above 3 billion bushels for the first time in history. Stocks to use were mostly unchanged, increasing to now be at 13.3%. Thanks for watching and have a great week.